Hello friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will share a simple and interesting daily routine in English. This video is especially for beginners who want to learn English. I will explain everything step by step in a fun and easy way. So, let's get started. I wake up early in the morning. My alarm rings at 6 a.m., and I open my eyes slowly. Sometimes, I feel lazy and want to sleep more. But I know that waking up early is a good habit. So, I get up, stretch my body, and smile. The first thing I do is wash my face and brush my teeth. Fresh water makes me feel awake. Then, I drink a glass of warm water because it is healthy. After that, I go for a morning walk. The fresh air makes me feel energetic. I see birds, trees, and people jogging in the park. Some people do yoga, and some exercise. I also do light exercise for 15 minutes to stay fit. After exercising, I take a bath. Cold water refreshes my body. I wear clean clothes and get ready for the day. Now, it's time for breakfast. I eat healthy food like eggs, bread, milk, or fruits. A good breakfast gives me energy for the whole day. After breakfast, I sit at my table and start my work. If you are a student, this is the time to study and complete homework. If you are working, this is the time to check emails and plan the day. Like to make a to-do list. It helps me stay organized. I write down my tasks for the day, like, complete assignments, read a book, make a YouTube video, learn something new, then, I focus on my work. I try not to use my phone too much because it can waste time. After a few hours, I take a short break. I walk around, drink water, and relax for 5 to 10 minutes. Then, I start working again. At 1 p.m., I have lunch. My lunch includes rice, vegetables, chapati, dal, and sometimes salad. Eating healthy food keeps me strong. After lunch, I take a short nap or relax for some time. Resting for 20 to 30 minutes refreshes my mind. In the afternoon, I like to do something productive. Some days, I read a book or watch educational videos. Other days, I practice speaking English, read a simple story, listen to English songs, talk to myself in English. Watch English movies with subtitles. These activities help to improve my communication skills. At 5 p.m., I go outside to play or take a walk. Some people play cricket, football, or badminton. Playing sports is a great way to stay active. After playing, I come back home and have tea or snacks. I talk to my family and spend time with them. If I have extra work, I complete it in the evening. Otherwise, I watch TV or listen to music. At 8 p.m., I have dinner with my family. Dinner is usually light, like roti, sabzi, or soup. Eating early is good for health. After dinner, I relax for some time. I check my phone, reply to messages, and sometimes read a book. Before sleeping, I plan my next day. I write down my tasks and set my alarm. Then, I brush my teeth and wash my face. Finally, I lie down on bed, close my eyes, and think about my day. I feel thankful for everything. Then, I go to sleep by 10:30 p.m. This is my simple daily routine. Everyone has a different routine, but a good routine helps us stay healthy and happy. If you are learning English, try to speak about your daily routine. Practice every day, and you will improve. I hope you liked this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching.